So wonderful to be here. My name is Margaret Makungo. I am Zambian, and my responsibility in the US is to promote tourism to Zambia, and also to put to death the myth that you are not welcome in Zambia. Not at all. I always tell people that I meet, before I tell the ambassador to come, I always tell people that I meet that, Zambia is the only country that you arrive at. You don't see any placards reading, "Go away America." No. The only placards that you see at all points of entry is to say, "Welcome to Zambia." That's all you can ever get. Before I say too much as a tourism officer, because my job is to talk, I'll call upon the ambassador. Her name is Her Excellency Sheila Siwela. Sheila Siwela, that's her name.
Let me recognize first the Apostle Joyce for bringing us together this afternoon, and her dear husband, whom I met like a month ago, for putting this afternoon act together. It's unbelievable that we met just under 6 months ago. But when God is in a project, He makes things happen. Amen.
That's it.
Because when we met, there were more than 300 other people, but then we are zeroing in. And here we are today, almost sealing a deal for a group of you and your staff to come to Zambia, hopefully April 2012. I also want to recognize all the big people that have been introduced here. It's really a pleasure that we'll be able to sell our country to people that we know who run with the idea. Just what Maggie has said, Zambia is one of the most peaceful, and we are so hospitable. It's almost a brand that we laugh even when our stomachs are empty. We are very, very hospitable people. I didn't come here alone. I came with the First Secretary Tourism at the embassy. Her name, as she has introduced herself, her name is Margaret Makungo. She's been in tourism industry ever since Adam and Eve. That's all she knows the past 15 years. So she's a big asset to the mission and also to Zambia in the US. What about Zambia? Who is Zambia? I'm sure the three of you went on the internet, you have an answer, but for the purpose of those who didn't go, I just want to summarize that it's a country somewhere in Central Africa. Central-Southern Africa. People call it a butterfly country. I think it's sort of inside and fly, like a butterfly. 13 million people, the last census. We are surrounded by 8 neighbors. Congo, DR Congo, then Tanzania, Malawi, that Botswana, Mozambique, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Namibia and Angola. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Just as Apostle Joyce said earlier on, that we were colonized by the British, and we are free from colonization on the 24th of October, 1964. So why is Zambia a preferred destination right now? Just under 2 weeks ago, we had a visit in Zambia, very high-profile visit by the immediate former president of the United States of America, President George W. Bush, and his wife Laura, and their twin girls, and the husband of one of their daughters. They were in Zambia for 3 days. And after 3 days, they declared that we are coming back for 1 month to do community work. So if there's any other reason that people are welcome, that is one of the manifestations. In June this year, from the 9th to the 10th of June, we had a high-profile visit in Zambia by none other Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton, who came to grace the AGOA conference in Lusaka. She was there for 2 days. So if people can come to high-profile in 1 year, that's a country that is a friendly country. Then we have the Peace Corps. It's an organization that was actually inaugurated by President Kennedy way back, when encouraging the young people to do voluntary work in other countries, and I'll talk about Zambia. And every year there are some Peace Corps who come and go. As I stand here, Zambia now is the largest recipient of Peace Corps in Africa. Until 2 months ago, Senegal was #1, Ghana was #2, Zambia #3. Now there are more Peace Corps than Ghana and Senegal. And just when former President Bush came to Zambia 2 weeks ago, I was in Lusaka myself. There was some drama. We went to Peace Corps headquarters where a lot of Peace Corps girls came. They called them the GLOW. Girls, whatever, I forget the acronym, but the acronym is GLOW. Now, at that point, there were 4 Peace Corps volunteers who had been, one from Kentucky, the other one I think from Maryland, and so forth. All of them that fell, they said the initial contract was for 1 year. All of them had been in Zambia now for 3 years. Yes. All of them. The young lady from Kentucky says, please, can you please go and convince my mom to come and relocate to come here because I'm not going back. So those are just recent testimonies, if I'm allowed to say that, to say that this is a country that we have opened now for visitors. They are very, very welcome to come to Zambia.